Imagine your phone only buzzing when you want it to, not during your nap, meetings, or worship. Today I'm showing you how to schedule your notifications automatically using modes and routine. I'm demonstrating on Galaxy S22 Ultra, but don't scroll if you use iPhone, Tecno, Infinix One Plus, because I'll show how it works on your phone too. So watch till the end. Trust me, once you learn the trick, your phone will finally work on your schedule. Like, share, subscribe if you find this helpful. Begin. Let's use this use case example. We will schedule a notification only from WhatsApp between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. while blocking others for peace of mind. So let's do that, starting with Samsung Galaxy phones. You go to settings here and you tap modes and routines, and you can choose a system mode like sleep, work, or you can tap to add your own mode. Yeah, I tap and I'll say custom. Let me give it a name. I'll just call it, just leave it gym, whatever, custom. So you save. So where it says tap turn on automatically, tap where it says turn on automatically and set time, location, or app based trigger. So let's use time based trigger. So we want between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. to not get any alert from any other app except WhatsApp. So we can set the time. We said from 7 p.m. to whenever 10 p.m. I'm just doing this to show, right? Okay, so when you're done, you say done. So now where it says do not disturb, so let's choose what this mode does. So we tap here where it says choose what this mode does, right? You tap here and then under do not disturb, choose how notification behave. So we go here and we can say calls and messages none allowed, app notifications none allowed. So this is where we go to select only for WhatsApp, for app notification. Then we can choose WhatsApp here, add app. So we find the app that we want, so we say WhatsApp and you say done. So we choose to only allow we only allow WhatsApp during do not disturb. So this is how we do that, and then we're done. Okay, so now we have scheduled automatically from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. All other apps will be blocked from sending notification, but only WhatsApp is allowed to send notification during that time. You can customize this for anything you want. Okay, now for Tecno, like some on other Android devices, Tecno, Infinix, all of them, if the device has smart panel or do not disturb or scheduled DND feature, if the device has that, then you go to settings and you tap on do not disturb and you enable do not enable scheduled DND, and then set the start time. Set the start time and end time. You tap allow exemptions and choose important apps or calls and you save. Optionally, you can use a third-party app like Macro Droid or Automation for advanced scheduling. For OnePlus phone, you go to settings, you go to utilities and work-life balance, and you choose work or life mode, then set time-based or location-based triggers. Under each mode, select allow notifications and apps. Save your schedule. You can auto switch between work and personal notification profile. For Apple iPhone, You go to settings, focus, you tap the plus sign to add a new focus, example work, sleep. Select your purpose and customize the allowed people and apps. Tap add schedule or automation. Choose time, location or app as a trigger. Save and enable the focus. You can link focus modes to lock screen and home pages too. And that's it. Whether you're using a Samsung, iPhone, or any phone, now you can control when and how your phone notifies you. Use this for sleep time, classes, business hours, prayer, or even family time. If you learn something new today, drop a like, share with a friend, and hit the subscribe button for more practical tech tips. Actually make your life easier. Let your phone serve you, not the other way around. See you in the next